afternoon. Welcome to Kiva's, your science hub for NECO, GC, JAM, and everyday understanding. Before we begin, let's remind ourselves of God's promises in 2 Timothy chapter 1 verse 7. For God has not given us the spirit of fear, but of power, love, and sound mind. It means that you don't have to be afraid of chemistry, because God has given you the power to overcome the challenges in chemistry. And chemistry is part of your daily life, right? Today, you will learn about the meaning of chemistry. Have you ever wondered why ice melts? Why plantain turns brown? Okay, why a fried plantain turns brown? Well, that's chemistry in action. What then is chemistry? Chemistry is a branch of science that deals with the study of matter, its composition, structure, properties, changes matter on the globe, and the energy involved in those changes. So, now let's break down the definition. A branch of science. Chemistry as a branch of science simply means that chemistry is a part of science, just like biology and physics. And sometimes chemistry is called the central science. Because it lies between biology and physics. Study of matter. Almost everything around us is made up of matter. The air we breathe, the water we drink, you, my subscriber, and I myself were made up of matter. Okay, what chemistry does is that it studies this matter. Its structure. For example, let's take water, H2O. This is the formula for water. Water, for example, what chemistry does is to study the structure of this water. Is it made up of atoms or molecules? How is it arranged? Is it arranged in atoms or molecules? Okay. Then composition simply means what chemistry is made up of. What matter is made up of. Composition of matter. It studies composition of matter. For example, water. Chemistry studies what this water is made up of. Is it made up of hydrogen or oxygen? Okay. Then properties. The properties simply means how matter looks like. How does it look? The behavior. How does it behave? Now, water as an example. Chemistry studies whether the water is a solid, liquid, or gas. Okay? Then, for changes it undergoes. In chemistry, there are two types of changes, physical and chemical changes. Now, in physical change, chemistry studies whether this water is a solid, liquid, or gas. Okay, the changes it undergoes, whether physical or chemical change, is it a solid, liquid, or gas. And then for chemical change, for example, the burning of paper. Chemical change. Now, chemical change. Burning of paper is an example of a chemical change because it is not reversible. When paper burns, it turns to ashes, and it cannot be reversed back to its original paper. Okay? Then the energy involved in those changes. For example, the energy involved in burning of paper is light, and heat energy. So the energy involved in boiling of paper is light and heat energy. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, and turn on the bell icon so that you don't have to miss any of our upcoming science lessons. Okay.